Assalamu alaikum. I am Fatma Sidra and this is my CPT 237 assignment 3, and this is about to do a lesson plan of my of the topic I choose is Veda, and the subject is social studies, and this lesson plan is about grade 1, and this is one social studies period, that is 35 minutes, and the strand is people, place and environment, and the substrand is society and the environment. The key competency related to this topic is living a healthy life, and shared values relating to environment, and prior knowledge is Veda, sunny day and rainy day, and students will know about this, and the outcome I choose is gain an understanding of local weather condition and its impact of humans, and the indicator is identifies weather condition we experience in Maldives. And first, before starting the lesson, we recall the previous day lesson and share today's lesson learning intention and success criteria. Learning intention is today we are going to describe the weather condition, and success criteria is I will be successful if I can identify different weather conditions. And when after sharing the learning intention and success criteria, ask student what they want to learn today, and is there any special topic to learn. Ask student to guess that today's topic, and give few minutes to guess, and ask students to take their tablets and search menti.com and write code teacher wrote in the board, and the code their teacher will give, and when they see the question, teacher will tell question to whole class, and ask student to write their view about the weather. The question is what is the view of weather they can what's the weather they can answer in that question, and give 2 minutes to write their view in menti.com. And when the students wrote their view, teacher will show the answers in TV, and when all finish, teacher will discuss about the answers students wrote in that menti.com, and talk about the weather in the morning and the now in morning and the class time, and after that, ask students to open Nearpod app in the tablet and guess the weather pictures. Teacher will share and show the picture of stormy, and teacher will show the pictures. Teacher will share the stormy picture and rainy picture, sunny picture, and a cloudy. Students have to tell what's the weather they can see from that picture, and teacher will ask some students to identify that picture and tell what happened in that picture, and discuss the whole class to all the pictures. And after that there is main activity And this lesson main activity start before starting, ask student to take their social textbooks and get ready for the lesson. And when students ready, teacher will explain in the atmosphere how what we call atmosphere and where is it, and explain that we are living in a wonderful planet called Earth, and talk about how the Earth is formed, and talk about the Earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere, and ask student to tell about their view about atmosphere, and tell about sometimes air becomes hot and sometimes it becomes cold, and how to identify the atmosphere will hot and how the atmosphere is cold, and ask student to tell about their view. And after that, teacher will tell this change in air is known as weather, and weather keeps changing from day to day and sometimes from hour to hour, like teacher will explain the morning weather and morning time weather, and the afternoon weather will change. And ask students ask some questions to individual students, like how the weather like today. Ask students how the weather like today, and show some pictures, or ask students to look outside of the class and tell the today's weather and why we call sunny day or rainy day and how we can identify that, and tell that students to take their tablet and go to the Google Classroom and do the J-Cross. Teacher will share with the students, and that J-Cross is done by the Hot Potato app, and this J-Cross is share before the classroom, and ask student to read the clues and find the correct word of it. And when students are doing this work, teacher will give extra clues to students to find the words. And to this work, teacher will give 15 minutes, and after that teacher will read the clues and tell the answers to the whole class. And before telling the answer, teacher will encourage students to tell the correct answer. And finally, the evaluation part of this lesson. The evaluation part teacher will done by the one quiz, that is the classmarker.com. And to do this, students have to go to www.classmarker.com and quiz taker and do the question, do the quiz teacher will share with them. And that quiz about weather, and teacher will help students to do that quiz. After that quiz, teacher will recall the whole today's lesson about weather, and ask students to ask individual students to tell about what they learned from today's lesson. And that's the conclusion of this lesson. And I hope this will give some information how to give the weather, how to plan different topics, including different tools, teaching tools. Thank you.